Welcome back to MEME means Make Math Easy. Today I will take an important question from class 11th chapter limits. In this chapter I will take a proof of trigo functions. This proof is very important and directly apply to formula to solve the different types of question of trigo functions. Therefore, question is that prove that limit sin theta by theta tends to 0 is equal to 1. This is very important formula, and with the help of this formula we can find the different types of limit of the functions which is given in the trigo functions. Let's start it. First we take a standard circle with radius r, radius equal to r. That point is A, and we take this angle theta, and theta measured in radian. This is the point B. We take a point P here and join P to A. If draw a perpendicular line from P to OA, that is M, therefore this angle will be 90 degree. In this condition we take theta not less than 0, therefore theta greater than 0, and theta's value is less than pi by 2 means 90 degree. Therefore we take theta's value 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, and OA and OP the radius, therefore this will be R. In triangle OAP, the area of triangle OAP is less than the area of sector OAP. Area of sector means OA and this. Therefore, area of triangle OAP is less than the area of sector OAP, and this is less than area of triangle OAB. In this condition, therefore we take area of triangle OAP is less than area of sector OAP is less than the area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. After that, to find the area of triangle OAP, we take 1/2 into OA is the base, into perpendicular PM less than area of sector. Area of sector will be theta by 2 pi into pi r square. R means OA square, less than area of triangle OAB. There will be 1/2 OA into AB the perpendicular. On putting the value of OA and PM and here AB also, we get the area of this. Therefore we take here in triangle AP in triangle OAP sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, therefore it will be PM by OP, therefore OP is the R, PM equal to R sin theta. And after that, in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, we can take tan theta is equal to AB by OA. OA is the radius, therefore AB equal to R tan theta. Therefore, put here the value 1 upon 2 into OA is the R and PM is the R sin theta less than पाई से पाई कैंसिल हो जाएगा एंड थीटा बाई 2 इंटू आर स्क्वायर लेस देन 1 बाई 2 OA इंटू आर इंटू ए बी इक्वल टू R tan theta. On dividing both sides, here will be R square and R square. Therefore, we can write as sin theta less than tan theta. Therefore, we divide both sides. Sin theta, there will be 1 less than theta by sin theta less than 1 upon cos theta dividing sin theta. Therefore, this, if you take invertendo, there will be 1 greater than sin theta upon theta cos theta, or we write as cos theta less than sin theta by theta less than 1. By invertendo, we get this, and this can be write as this form. Therefore, if we take limit of each term, we get limit theta tends to 0 cos theta less than equal to limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta less than equal to limit theta tends to 0 of 1. Because theta varies 0 to pi by 2, therefore if theta tends to 0, there will be 1 less than equal to, and there will be limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta less than equal to 1. We observe here, this is less than or equal to 1 and this is also less than or equal to 1. Therefore, we can write as limit theta tends to 0 sin theta upon theta is equal to 1 from both sides. Therefore, limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta equal to 1, hence true. Note that this is very important formula, and this formula apply to do different types of trigo functions and want to find the limit of that functions. Therefore, this formula is very important. Topic finish. If you are new in my channel, subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you for watching.